Happy graduation, Falcons. I was a graduate of Bowling Green in 1986. I was the first person in my family to go to college, and I still say, of all the things I've done in my life and in my career, that act of getting higher education saved my life. When I was in your shoes, I was kind of a nervous observer of the world. In my work and in my life, I always had a heart for the little guy. And I want to just say, if I had one piece of advice to give to you today, especially in the middle of this chaotic pandemic, it would be to stay true to who you are right now. Because when you're true to your authentic self, that's what really allows you to be your best person and to do your best work. So happy graduation. Bravo to you, Falcons. And I hope you have a wonderful life and career.